Hey guys, welcome to another episode of PB Garage. In today's episode, we've got a special guest with us, Tyler Ward from Ward Performance Tuning. Today's a big day to start the car. Tyler's here to put the initial tune on the engine so that I can at least get it started up and driving around. Tyler, you specialize in Volkswagen and Audi tuning in the auto area?
Yeah, pretty much anything Mototronics related is what I do.
Okay, so up to B8.5.
B8.5.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and you've been doing this for a long time?
Since about 2017.
Yeah. Eh?
Yeah, basically I started building the cars and then there was nobody around to tune them, so
yeah, I
started tuning them.
Nice. And stage 3s, like this car has been outfitted with all the stage 3 parts to, go for around 400 wheel horsepower. That's kind of in your ballpark, like no issues with that, and
yep.
no problem. Yeah. Big turbos are no problem. Awesome.
Yep.
Any concerns or initial thoughts on what's going to happen here when we turn the key?
Not really, just crossing our fingers for no leaks, and yeah, it should be good.
Cool. So we'll do the break-in tune, and then I'll put on like 400 kilometers roughly, break in the clutch, the engine, maybe a bit more than 400 for the clutch, I'm not sure, but and then we're gonna spend another session together and just really tune it for performance. What kind of pressure do you think we should run with these turbos? Any idea?
So it really depends on fueling.
Yeah.
So it'll be octane limited what kind of pressure we'll run on these, but
okay.
I mean, on pump gas with our 94 octane, it wouldn't be unusual to run around 22 to 24 pounds of boost. Cool. Maybe a little bit more if we decide to run some race fuel or some serious octane booster in it. Okay, yeah, the plan is 94 and then eventually water meth injection. So I'll install that kit and then contact you and we'll retune it for that at some point in the future. For sure. And then a dyno, you recommended a dyno session. There's an all-wheel drive dyno here in Ottawa, so we'll probably hit that and just fine-tune it a bit more, I suppose. Yep. Cool. All right, well, I'll let you keep working. The big event's coming up soon, so stay tuned. Whether it fails or is successful, I'm recording it no matter what.
It's like there won't start it without us. In the head, I was like, yeah, he might.
There you go. Take a look underneath.
How did your first ride feel?
We heard a little whistle.
Yeah, made some turbo noises.
Oh yeah?
A few other little noises, but nothing too major. It works for the most part.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Job well done.
Thanks, Tyler. Well, there's no big mess underneath, which is very encouraging. So there you have it, guys. The car runs, it drives, it starts easily. It looks good out in the driveway for a change. It's lived in the garage for 8 months. Now it can move in another project, which is Jen's car. STK, eh, Blake?
STK, 2.7 STK build. It's already STK, but I mean, they learned that for the first generation.
Oh, it is already STK.
Like, yeah, that was we need a little bit of room just to get around.
This chassis fits a lot of different motors.
It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Come on.
No.
Be a team player. Join the competition.
Get a picture of her fixing her car.
I do have a picture.
Think how easy it would be to pull that motor though with all that space around it to get at the connectors and stuff.
Oh, I know.
Couple axles, couple of wiring harnesses.
Oh,
That's authorization to do it next weekend. Thanks, Tyler, for your support and tuning.
Yep.
I'm gonna break this in, and then we're gonna start pushing it for some serious power.
For sure.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Oh, it's so quiet. Just that stupid pump.
I do that.
Oh, yeah.
Woo!
Yeah.